All right, so welcome to our home that we will be auctioning off on Saturday, September 7th and Sunday, September 8th between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. The address here is 10518 Williams Street in Northglenn, Colorado. So we're just going to do a quick walkthrough. Great big picture window here, beautiful storm door, brand new carpeting, wonderful open floor plan. As you can see, we've got a nice gas fireplace in the family room, opens up to the kitchen, tile floors, gas appliances. Oh, just great. And we're going to walk down this way and we're going to go into the two main bedrooms upstairs here. So this one here is bedroom number 1. As you can see, it's nice size. We've got good windows up there, absolutely wonderful. Then we're going to come into bedroom number 2. All right, bedroom number 2. They're using this as an office, but it certainly is a bedroom. It has a closet, has a door, has the windows, big closet included. All right, so then as we keep walking back through, here we are back into the main living of the house. We do have a wonderful skylight up there. Come on out, take a look at this. This is gorgeous. All right, so we're going to walk through the kitchen and we're going to head to the backyard. Absolutely an amazing backyard. All right, so this backyard here, we're going to start over here with this wonderful shaded patio and deck area right underneath this gorgeous tree. Look at this. Inviting, I'd say yes. Take a look at this gorgeous garden. Oh, just a beautiful, beautiful yard. Big patio space. Do all your grilling, all your entertaining. Great place to come and relax. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. All these trees and morning glories and sunflowers. Oh, and look at this gazebo. Absolutely lovely. So as we keep on walking, we're going to also see that we've got a great big storage shed right here. Absolutely gorgeous. Come over here. We do have a lovely little pond, a little water feature. Little bench right there for you to sit there and just relax and listen to the sounds of the water. I'm going to come back over here. And back here, we've got a fantastic perennial garden area. Absolutely gorgeous. Gazing balls, more morning glories. We come back over here, there's the gazebo again. Ah, got peach tree. I believe it still has some peaches left unless they picked them all. Oh, they got them all. Had peaches on that one this morning. Oh, look at this. Just a picturesque backyard. Wonderful place to come and hang out and relax. Plenty of places for sun or shade. And just enjoy yourself. Now there's one more quick surprise that I want to show you. And that's behind this door here. We have a workshop. It's being used as storage and a workshop, but it is a great little extra area that you don't get everywhere else. All right, again, we are going to be doing our open house this weekend. Saturday, 10 a.m. till 4 p.m. Sunday, 10 a.m. till 4 p.m. It is an auction. The starting bid on this house is only $250,000. So grab your friends, come on by, get registered, take a look, and who knows, this could be your slice of heaven. See you then. Bye-bye.